Maps can lie or be biased due to various factors, which can be broadly categorized into technical limitations, human intentions, and cultural influences. Here are some key points on how maps can exhibit cartographic bias. 1. Projection distortions. Mercator projection. This is one of the most commonly used map projections, but it significantly distorts the size of countries near the poles. For example, Greenland appears to be the same size as Africa, even though Africa is actually 14 times larger. This distortion can lead to a misrepresentation of global geography. Equal area projections. While these projections accurately represent area, they often distort shapes. The Albers equal area projection, for instance, preserves area but distorts shapes to achieve this. 2. Simplification and generalization. Detail omission. To make maps more readable, cartographers often simplify complex geographical features. This can lead to the omission of smaller islands, minor roads, or detailed terrain features. For example, small islands in the Pacific might be omitted on a world map to avoid clutter. Scale and resolution. The scale of a map determines the level of detail it can show. A map with a large scale, e.g., 1:10,000, will show more detail than one with a small scale, e.g., 1:1,000,000. This can lead to biases in how detailed or simplified certain areas appear. 3. Political and cultural influences. National boundaries. Maps can reflect political biases by emphasizing certain national boundaries or territorial claims. For example, maps produced by different countries might show disputed territories differently. Cultural emphasis. Maps can also reflect cultural biases by highlighting certain regions or landmarks that are significant to a particular culture. For instance, maps from a particular country might place that country at the center. 4. Data representation. Color and symbol use. The choice of colors and symbols can influence how information is perceived. For example, using red to highlight certain areas can draw more attention to them, potentially leading to a biased interpretation. Data accuracy. The accuracy of the data used to create maps can also introduce bias. Outdated or incomplete data can lead to incorrect representations of geographical features. 5. Purpose and intended audience. Target audience. Maps are often designed with a specific audience in mind. For example, a map for tourists might highlight tourist attractions while omitting industrial areas. Purpose. The purpose of the map can also influence its design. A map designed for navigation will focus on roads and landmarks, whereas a map for environmental studies might focus on natural features. Conclusion. Maps are powerful tools for visualizing geographical information, but they can also introduce biases through various means. Understanding these biases is crucial for interpreting maps accurately and critically. Whether it's the choice of projection, the level of detail, or the cultural and political influences, cartographic bias can shape our perception of the world.